So I've had the GoPro Hero 9 for quite some time now, and I think it's time for a casing upgrade, which is why I got the Media Mod by GoPro itself. Now the main reason for this is going to be for the microphone, although I'm not going to use the inboard one because I do have the Rode mic, so I want to go ahead and attach the receiver to it just so I can go ahead and use it more efficiently. So I've had the GoPro Hero 9 for quite some time now, and I think it's time for a housing upgrade, and so I got the Media Mod by GoPro. Now, thankfully, this is going to be compatible with my GoPro, which is going to be the GoPro Hero 9, but you can also go all the way up to 10, 11, and the most recent one as of 2024, the 12. Now, the good thing about this is it's going to be water resistant. It's going to have the microphone, although I do have my wireless Go mic, so I want to go ahead and attach that one instead. It also has the 3.5 millimeter port, HDMI port, and USB-C. All right, so after that rough opening, I can finally dive deep inside here. And so all the way in the back, we're going to go ahead and have the lifetime warranty and a user guide. But of course, the important part is going to be right over here. So here's the hot shoe mount along with the screw to go ahead and tighten this up. So up top, we're going to have the microphone and we can put the windscreen on top. Just give it a good push and just like that. Now on top, there is going to be this part for the button. And it's actually going to be the same material made on the GoPro itself. We're going to have a hot shoe mount. And then over here is going to be the cap. So I could just lift it up. And then the GoPro is going to go ahead and slide right in there. And right here is going to be a USB-C port to go ahead and charge it. And of course, we are going to have some things in the front. So right here is going to be the micro USB cable, USB-C cable, and the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, as well as a spot to go ahead and put any additional accessories. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and put my Rode mic receiver. So now to actually put the GoPro in here, I'm going to take it out of the old housing. And now the plate does have to come off, so I can just pull it down and then just push this upwards. And just comes right off, and this can be slid in place just like so, and give it a good push, and there, now it's stuck. And then I can push it here, and just like that, there it is.